This is Bob Davis 321 playing around with a servo-controlled arm. We're using Arduino Nano at this point and 6 potentiometers. Each one, like this one, is the it has a tendency not to go back up because there isn't quite enough voltage. This is the servo here. And the next one is a servo here. And the next one is rotate the claw. And then the final one opens and closes the claw. Should I rotate that around the other way too so you can get a better view of it? It's one of the mini, what do they call them, 9-gram servos running that. And of course it's all running off these 5 knobs. And the one up here is the rotation. I changed how the middle servos connect together. I made 2 L brackets and 2 standoffs. The problem is the way most people put these 2 servos together, right here particularly, back to back, they jam on this bracket and you lose range of movement that way. So there we have it. The servo controlled by potentiometers. Oops, except for one problem is every now and then that one servo fails because it's just too much weight hanging off the end. I've tried to make it so it stands straight up, but same problem, it just doesn't have enough oomph because there's just so much weight. So that's my Arduino Nano controlled servo-based mechanical arm. I made my own mounting bracket for the servo down underneath the base. It's a little more rugged than the normal one. And my cat wants to attack it right now. I'll spin it out here towards me. Most of the servos are 10 rotations movement, and that servo, or I mean, most potentiometers are 10 rotation, but the servo for rotating, the resistor for rotating is a 1 turn, so it's much faster motion. Oh, I got that turned all the way to one end. Had to put extensions on most of the servo cables to reach, and that is a modified nano shield or expansion board. I modified it so that the power going in goes right to the servos instead of the 5 volts. Gives your servos more power. So that's all for now.